bought the bike used. It's an M4. Not sure what that is. Seems like it's homemade. Bought the bike with it, so not sure if anybody's ever seen it. I don't know what to do with it now, but I'm gonna replace it with the Silber Turbo Quiet one, which has 2 baffles on it. This is the new the Silber Turbo Quiet exhaust. Has a baffle here and a baffle here. I saw it on Byron Arnold's YouTube channel. I got a 10% discount. His wife didn't like the sound of it. It was too quiet, so that's perfect for me because I didn't want an original factory exhaust, but I didn't want something as loud as what it had. Drove me nuts. I haven't even registered the bike yet, but once I do, I'm gonna ride it, and I hate to be the person disturbing the neighborhood, so I'm gonna try this on.